He turned on a camera, played video games for 8 hours, and made $47,000. His college roommate worked 60 hours that week for $800. You know, that person who's always live on Twitch or YouTube while everyone else is grinding their 9 to 5 in silence, watching their life disappear into spreadsheets. Yeah, they're not wasting time. They're building parallel economies. See, psychologists have a term for people who stream games: parasocial architects. And here's what nobody tells you. They're not just playing games. They're constructing digital communities where they're simultaneously the entertainment, the product, and the CEO. Dr. Jim Blaskovich at UC Santa Barbara studied virtual presence and found that streamers develop heightened self-monitoring abilities that rivals performers and public speakers. They're reading chat, playing at high level, and managing a live audience, all simultaneously. Research from the University of Twente shows successful streamers process 23% more social information per minute than average social media users. Their brains are essentially running 3 operating systems at once: gameplay, performance, and community management. The top 1% of Twitch streamers make more per hour than doctors. They're diagnosing your entertainment needs in real time and prescribing dopamine. Think of traditional jobs like climbing a ladder. Predictable, linear, capped. Streamers. They're building rocket ships. Some crash, some reach orbit. When you stream, you're not trading time for money. You're trading personality for compound returns. Every stream is content. Every clip is marketing. Every subscriber is recurring revenue. Here's the economic reality. Traditional job pays you once for your time. Streaming pays you 6 ways simultaneously: subscriptions, donations, ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate links, and brand deals. Research from Stream Elements and Arsenal.g shows that streamers who commit to consistent schedules see 340% higher subscriber retention than sporadic streamers. It's not about talent, it's about reliability, creating psychological safety for viewers. Plus, streaming is the ultimate performance feedback loop. You say something funny? Chat reacts instantly. You mess up? 5,000 people tell you immediately. Traditional jobs, you wait 6 months for a performance review. Ninja made $500,000 in 1 month playing Fortnite. Your favorite athlete trains 10 years for that salary. He learned to stream in 6 months. Here's the psychological architecture. Streamers don't just play games. They weaponize vulnerability. The best streamers aren't the best players. They're the most authentic personalities. They lose, they rage, they laugh, they share. Chat doesn't want perfection. They want human connection through shared experience. Dr. T.L. Taylor at MIT studied streaming culture and found that viewers aren't passive consumers. They're co-creators of the experience. Chat influences gameplay decisions, creates memes, builds inside jokes. It's collaborative entertainment. But here's the neural hack. When you stream, you activate 3 dopamine pathways simultaneously. Mastery: getting better at games. Social bonding: community interaction. And novelty. Every stream is different. Traditional work usually activates 1, maybe 2. Studies from the Journal of Computer-Mediated Communication showed that streamers develop stronger parasocial relationships than traditional celebrities because of consistency and accessibility. You're not watching someone on a screen. You're hanging out with them 5 days a week. Pokimane has 9 million followers. She started streaming from her college dorm. Now she turns down $1 million deals that don't align with her brand. But let's be brutally honest. Streaming isn't entrepreneurship for everyone. For some, it's unemployment with a camera. Industry data suggests the vast majority of new streamers earn less than minimum wage in their first year. You'd literally make more money with a part-time retail job. Most streamers never reach Twitch affiliate status, which requires just 50 followers and 500 minutes streamed. And here's what nobody talks about: parasocial exhaustion. Dr. Ruth Festinger's research shows that maintaining constant availability creates emotional labor burnout. You're on for 6 to 8 hours straight, performing, being entertaining, managing thousands of relationships simultaneously. Some streamers become trapped in their own persona. They can't stop. Chat expects them daily. Miss a stream? Lose viewers. Take a vacation. You risk losing momentum. It's not passive income. It's active attention trading at scale. The difference: intentional streaming versus escapist streaming. One is building a business. The other is avoiding real life with an audience watching. Ludwig streamed for 31 days straight. Every subscriber added 10 seconds to his stream. He made $1.4 million and nearly lost his mind. The human Truman Show. Here's what streaming success research actually reveals. The 3-30-300 rule. Stream 3 times per week, minimum consistency threshold, for at least 30 days straight. Algorithm favorability. Before expecting 300 concurrent viewers traction point, most people quit at day 12 because they're not growing fast enough. But Dr. Angela Duckworth's research on grit shows that delayed gratification tolerance is the #1 predictor of streaming success, not gaming skill. Why? Because streaming is building skills, gameplay, commentary, community management, creating compounding content clips, highlights, YouTube videos. Developing a personal brand. Consistency equals trust equals loyalty. Think of it like this. A traditional job pays you for 40 hours, and you're done. A successful stream lives forever as clips, memes, compilations. You're paid once, but the value compounds infinitely. Mr. Beast started by streaming himself counting to 100,000. Took 44 hours. Now he makes $54 million per year. Started with literally counting numbers. So next time someone says you're just playing games and looks at you like you're wasting your life, remember, you're not just playing, you're building differently. You might be creating content that compounds. Every stream is an asset, not just hours traded. Building a community where you're the architect, not just a participant. Developing skills in real-time performance, audience psychology, and brand building. Or testing whether you can build something entirely yours, where effort directly correlates to outcome. Because here's the truth about streaming versus traditional work. Traditional jobs are renting your time. Streaming is owning your attention economy. Both require work, and both have risks. But only one lets you build equity in yourself. Same 8 hours. One makes you an employee, the other makes you a business. Tag that friend streaming to 3 viewers like it's 3,000. They're building what you're watching. Follow for the psychology behind the new economy.